I ordered more yarn because I needed black yarn and they still have a 20% off sale. I thought I would show you what I got and let you know what I'm planning on making with them. There is a mix of Parfait Chunky, the Premier Basics, Chanel, Parfait Plush and Parfait Chunky Glitz in here because all of the Parfait collection was 20% off and it is for a few more days. I didn't get a whole lot this time because I did an order like 2 weeks ago and I got a lot in that order. There were a few colours I was hoping for. I couldn't get black at the time of my previous order and I really wanted to make some foxes and bumblebees. So I basically did this order for the black yarn. So we are going to start with these. I haven't ordered these in a really long time. I actually don't remember what I made with this. These make a really cute bunny, but I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to make. I have no plans for this yarn. I just liked it and I find I usually need 2 of these for the Premier Basic Chanel. Otherwise I can't make a full-size plush if I want to. So I got 2 of these. These are a staple in my yarn collection. I got 2 of them and I actually don't remember getting 2. I plan on making turtles and tortoises with these, but I'm thinking I might actually make a dog with it because I have a pet themed market coming up in just over a week. So I might make a dog, like a big, it comes out like this big. I might make that with this. And then if I've got any left, which I should have, I think it will use like 1.5. I'll make a couple turtles or tortoises. We'll see. This again is a staple. I use this for my mushrooms. It's the same as the other stuff. I use this. I definitely use it for mushrooms. I can't remember what else I use it for. Oh, bottoms of ducks. I use this one for, and the other 2, but I'm not gonna probably have enough to make a whole lot of things with this. So I got another one of these because I know I was sort of running low a bit. White yarn is always a must. You can never have too much white yarn. For some reason, this just seems to run through so quickly. So I feel like I got 2 of these, but there's only one like at the top of the box, so maybe we'll find the other one later, or maybe I didn't order 2. I don't really have plans for this, but I know it is used in so many patterns that I use regularly, so we got a white. I'm gonna make possums. I made 6 possums in this. I can make around 6 out of a skein, and then I think the rest I'll do as possum key rings that are like, I'm just gonna keep stocked up on possums because that's always the thing I seem to run out of at markets, and if I can just have loads and loads and loads, that's the plan. I'm not sure why I bought this. I think I was hoping to make an elephant with it, but now that I know I'm doing this pet themed thing, I might make a husky with this. I have white and I think that'll be really cute, and I'll have some left over. This is where I placed the order. I want to make foxes and bats? No, I want to make bumblebees with this because I feel like I have a lot of yellow yarn, and I wish I'd got black in the Parfait Plush as well, but I didn't. Maybe it was out of stock, I'm not sure. But here we go, we have one black Parfait Chunky. I don't know why I bought the, can you see the glitter in it? I don't know why I got this in glitz because the fraying and shedding, is it fraying? No, shedding actually upsets me. This is not my favourite kind of yarn to work with, but went for some glittery stuff. Different but very similar browns because I use brown all the time, especially in around this time of year. I want to make some turkeys, and I know I've got one in progress. I've got 2 patterns. One is in progress in this colour. I have about half a skein of this colour left, and then one uses 2 different shades of brown, so I'm thinking this will work, and then they'll be my small plushy size, and I think that's one. I've got a bee in progress right now, and then as soon as that's done, I think I'm gonna make turkeys. And there's also this one, so I guess I'm gonna have a variety of turkeys, which is really good because Thanksgiving is coming up, and I will probably make some football key rings with any of them really. They're all very similar shades of brown. I got some yellow because I knew I already had some of this Basics Chunky. Oh, it's Parfait Chunky. This felt more like the other stuff. Okay, well, I want to make bumblebees, so now I've got more yellow. Yeah. I was thinking I could also make giraffes, but I know I've got a few. This is very pretty. I think, what colour is this? This is called Lagoon. This is beautiful. This would make a really cool duck. I also use the browns for ducks. This is... I have no plans for this, but it's very pretty. I want to make cats. I need to make cats. I don't want to make cats, but I need to make cats for my pet themed thing. So I got more orange. I also think I'm going to make some little foxes because there's a dog pan and I made one. Let me grab it. It makes a little dog, but I feel like if I do it orange, it'll make a really cool little fox and people will hopefully love that because I get asked for a fox quite a lot. And I make full-size ones, but this won't be enough yarn. I have other oranges in the parfait chunky to make foxes, big ones. And then I might make some little foxes and some little cats and tigers. Not sure if this counts as orange or yellow. I believe it's called, oh, it's called maize. I thought it was a sunflower one. It's pretty. This might be a fox. Got foxes on the brain. Maybe, I don't know. It does give sunflower vibes, like the really pretty like orangey sunflowers. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna make with this. I just liked it. And I was like, you can never have too many yellows. I think this might be one of their new colours. I'm not sure. I definitely have it. Maybe it's not that new. I definitely have it or a similar one. But it could work for, I don't know. I really like mint green elephants, so I will probably make a small elephant. Oh, maybe I'll make a big elephant with this. I'm not sure. I'll either make a big or a small elephant with this, and then I think with the beige colour I'll make a turtle or a tortoise, or maybe one of each. And we'll go from there. This is also one of my favourites for making the duck heads. Like, they're full-size ducks, but this colour for the head is my favourite. I'm not sure if this one is new. It's called Orchid, but it is beautiful. Like, I mean, it almost matches what I'm wearing. I love this one. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for. I feel like it'd make a really cute bunny. I'm always drawn to pinks and like that kind of colour for bunnies, but I find purples and like this, whatever you would call this, really hard to work with for animals. Sometimes it just doesn't look right. Yeah, I definitely think a bunny of some sort, maybe a full-size bunny. That'd be good for my pet market. But this is really pretty. This is a lovely colour. Okay, we have 2 parfait chunkies in white. I definitely have one and a bit of these still. I'm really, I guess, stocking up to make snowmen. I'm gonna make some little snowmen. I want to make 3 more for my, I'm trying to make 100 small plushies this week. I want to make 3 more snowmen because I have 1 and then that will take me up to 4, which will be a nice number of snowmen, I think. So this will be really useful. I should be able to get 3 out of at least one. There'll be leftovers from 1, so that will be nice. And then I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna make. I've been using so much white lately because of ghosts, and I will continue to make ghosts even though spooky season is the 30th today, so spooky season is nearly done. But I will keep making ghosts because you never know when a ghost is gonna sell, and it will also be good for candy corn. And that yellow I got that I didn't know what to do with will probably make a good candy corn too. So I usually buy 2 whites at least at any point, but I guess I didn't for the basics one. But all the colours just left my head. I've got this pink Premier Basics because for some reason I never buy pinks in this, and I use them for possums, pigs. Yeah, I have 4 pigs that I've made, but I might make one in this as well so that it's a little bit bigger because I used the Parfait Chunky yarn in this colour. They're very similar. So it's smaller because that yarn is just less bulky. So I think I'm going to make at least a pig and an elephant, and then the rest will be for possums, noses and tails. And we'll see. There won't be much left after that, I don't think. So I think it will be mostly details for things. And then I got this, and I'm not really sure why I got this because I already have one. Yeah, I already have like 2/3 of one. Maybe I will make a pink dog or a pink cat, like a big one, for my market next on the 8th, 9th, I don't know, one of those days. I don't know. I'll make some pink Christmas trees actually, because that'll be really cute. Because I know some people go for like a pretty pink Christmas. Maybe a pink Christmas tree. Like almost done. Apparently I bought 2 of these blacks in Parfait Chunky. I'm not gonna run out for a really long time. I actually don't use black that often. I want to make some Santas. I know I've got a red in there, really good Santa red. I want to make some Santas, which is maybe why I got pink. I think it's a little bit too pink. Yeah, I got black. I didn't need 2 of these, but I got 2, so I won't be buying this for a really long time unless I make a lot of bumblebees, which I probably won't. I wish I got yellow in the glitz. I think I thought I already had some, but I don't think I do. That would have been cool. I got yellow, bumblebees, probably not giraffes. I think I've got enough small lions and then one of the like pinks or something maybe. Yeah, I've got enough giraffes, so this will be reserved for bumblebees, I think. And I also bought a big Parfait plush yellow that I haven't used. I was hoping it was going to be paler because I wanted to make a flamingo. We are down to the last few now. I got this green because I thought it'd make really good Christmas trees because I bought a Christmas tree pattern recently. So I got this. I think there's an elf. I don't know if I bought the elf pattern or if I just put it in my basket to buy later. But this green's really pretty and I don't think I've ever had it before. It's Kelly green. Make a really good 4-leaf clover. Never had it. Could make a good turtle or a tortoise for the shell. I don't think I can do a Premier Yarns order without getting some rainbow variegated yarns, or tie-dye as they call them, because this is beautiful. And I definitely have almost a whole thing of it in my baskets. So I get to make a lot with these. I'm definitely gonna make a cap. And I think a rainbow bumblebee would be really cool too. So instead of the yellow, it's rainbow. And not sure, but we'll do some fun things. Maybe a giant bunny, because I'm pretty sure I made a rainbow one a couple of weeks ago and it sold. It was one of the first things I sold at my following market. So maybe I'll make another big rainbow bunny. I have many ideas for these yarns, but I did almost finish an elephant in this yarn. Didn't quite finish it. I've just got almost a whole ear to make and then I'll be good to go. So I bought more of this. I believe it is bubblegum. It is bubblegum. I don't know what else I would use this yarn for. That'll be something, I'm sure. But I feel like I've got a lot of pink that I've made. I can't remember what else I made with this yarn that left it so that I didn't have much left, but something did. This could make a good jellyfish. I think I'll make a jellyfish in the pink, maybe the pale pink. I'm not 100% sure, but we will see what happens. Greys are staples. I'm gonna make some grey cats for sure because everyone loves cats, kind of. I can see 3 separate things of grey. I can see 2 of this and 1 of this. I thought I bought the blue grey. What's it called? Cloudy Day. I thought I got the one that had like a blue tint to it because I love that one. But I guess I didn't. I'm definitely gonna make some koalas and I think a rhino out of these for the small plushies. And then I think I might make a big koala because I know I don't have a grey koala at the minute. And I haven't had one of those in a long time. I've only got like fun coloured ones. And then I believe I have a grey elephant. But I might make a grey bunny. Maybe. We'll see. I wonder how much of this I'll actually make. And then how much of it I won't. Because I'll forget or I'll decide to make something else. Or I'll just go off that idea. Hoping they'll do Little Bunny on sale. Bloom. These ones. And maybe some of their rainbow like basics range. That would be really cool to have on sale, although I really don't need to buy more yarn. That's a lot of yarn. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see what I make with this yarn, I'm going to be filming when I'm done with the 100 plushies. hopefully that will be this week to film next week. I will be filming and showing you all the different plushies, small plushies I made, and then that week I'm hoping to make however many key rings, and I will film and show you all of them as well as separate videos. So if you would like to watch them, don't forget to subscribe.